National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Grand River at Paynesville from this evening until late tonight at 7:30 a.m. Wednesday. The stage was 7.4 feet. Minor flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 8.0 feet. At 8.0 feet, water levels will overrun the banks along the Metro Park south of Paynesville. Ruling Road will be threatened. Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 20, effective until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 20 has been issued from 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana.
This is a test of a National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KHB 59 listening area of Northeast Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of a National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB 59 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for Northeast Ohio over station KHB 59.